a fridge lock with facial recognition and a feature to not open after 6 p.m. This kind of lock could be an excellent dietitian, a humorous application, but it's more suitable for doors. A question may arise: why develop something when there are already inexpensive, ready-made Chinese solutions? Here's an example, one of the best sellers on AliExpress. However, many buyers don't know that this lock can be opened using a photo of the owner. The website claims 3D scanning and reliable protection, but that's not true. This video demonstrates how such a lock can be opened with just a photograph of the registered user. If you think this only applies to door locks, let's consider Face ID for the iPhone. Many believe their phone is securely protected. However, there are videos where people are shocked that their iPhone can be so easily fooled.
So there's the video of my face, okay? Alright, here we go, you ready?
Yeah.
It worked!
No way.
It worked! No!
Legs and hips and body.
This issue has been discussed on Apple's website since 2020, and it still hasn't been resolved. 400 users have already encountered it. Now that we've covered the problem, let's move on to the implementation. For this project, I'm using a Raspberry Pi 5 microcontroller, a module for controlling the servo motor, and the servo motor itself to unlock the lock, a power supply in case of a power outage, and a camera. The microcontroller is connected to the servo module using wires according to the schematic. I then place everything into a case and assemble it for testing. The most important part is the software code. From the comments on previous videos, it's clear that you're not particularly interested in seeing, let alone delving into, the programming code. I'll try to be brief and to the point. First, I used the OpenCV face recognition library. It does a great job recognizing faces, but it turned out to be too simple and can easily be fooled by a photograph. Then, I tried the Silent Face anti-spoofing library. There's a guide on how to install it, but it's not that easy and requires more advanced programming knowledge and an understanding of Chinese. In 9 out of 10 cases, it successfully distinguishes a real person from an image. This system is much better than Chinese locks, but still not reliable enough to install on a front door. I found an affordable fingerprint recognition module, ordered it for testing, and also a 3D module that creates a true 3D model of the user. Overall, this should result in a very secure lock. I hope to make it soon and show you the results. Thanks for watching.